We're here this evening at a campground near Thrissur, Kerala, India. We've had such a blessed time here today with the saints from the Thrissur area. And we've got 2 days that are packed full with services and brothers meetings, sister meetings, children's meetings, young people's meetings. And we're doing a distribution for the saints' children here. So Darren's given the explanation now.
The idea is to bless someone else with a gift to show them the love of Christ. So it is happening in several countries. I think Mexico, Pakistan, Honduras. This year they chose India. So it's not something that happens every year in the same place, but usually a different place every year.
For those that may be unaware, this area of Thrissur is where Brother Daryl Johnson has come many times and worked with the saints here.
I think the backpacks, I hope they last a little bit. But the idea behind Project Christmas Blessing is to show the love of Christ. And that lasts forever. So if you pass out the gifts and you go home with them, I hope that you take home the love of Christ. And that you remember that there are people in many parts of the world that want to share their love with you. So this time we're going to pass out the gifts.
Please,
Go right ahead.
So he probably already said, but I believe the gifts are pretty much only for the children here at this camp meeting.
ജാനറ്റിന് ഇൻട്രൊഡക്ഷൻ. ജാനറ്റ്. അതായത് നമ്മുടെ കൊണ്ടാടി ദൈവസഭ സഭയിലെ കുഞ്ഞുങ്ങളാണ്. കൃപമോടെ കൃപ. ആന്റിനെ ഇൻട്രൊഡക്ഷൻ. ആന്റി. മിസ്ബയെ ഇൻട്രൊഡക്ഷൻ. മിസ്ബ.
So we have
ജോന പമ്പടി മാനേജറാണ്.
all those to go through, and I think we'll conclude the live broadcast. The Lord bless you all.